Hey guys, so this is a really common SAT question. So we have the cube root of x to the eighth, or the third root. Different people say different ways. And they want you to rewrite it with a fraction in the power. So what's the answer? We have four options. Obviously, it's never two options, right? The two options are always goofy. So the first one is x to the 1 over 2. Obviously, there's no way to get 1/2 with 3 and 8. Nothing simplifies. And the last one is x to the 38. Obviously, it's not going to be x to the 38 if it's only to the eighth power and it's a cube root. So these two don't make any sense. So it's either x to the 3/8 or x to the 8/3. Which one is it? Well, we have to remember the rule that if we have x to the b with the root of a, this is the same thing as x to the b over a. So in our case, b is equal to 8, so we know 8 will be in the numerator, and 3 is the denominator. So the answer is x to the 8/3. It's pretty simple.